the ultimate guide to protein for vegans and vegetarians. Are you a vegan or vegetarian struggling to get enough protein? Don't worry, we're here to help. Here is a guide to vegan and vegetarian protein. What is protein? Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in your body. It's made up of amino acids, which your body needs to function properly. How much protein do you need? Your protein needs depend on your age, gender, weight, and activity level. Adults should aim for at least 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. Vegan and vegetarian protein sources: legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu and tempeh, nuts and seeds, quinoa, soy milk and yogurt, seitan, vegetables, broccoli, spinach, kale. Combining protein sources. Not all plant-based proteins are complete proteins. You can still get all the amino acids you need by combining different protein sources. For example, you could combine beans and rice, or eat hummus with whole grain bread. Getting enough protein on a vegan or vegetarian diet is easy. By incorporating a variety of plant-based protein sources into your meals, you can ensure that you're getting all the amino acids your body needs. Happy eating!